Imagine waking up tomorrow morning and your legs no longer feel heavy, numb, or painfully cold. Imagine stepping out of bed and walking across the room without stopping, climbing the stairs without wincing, or even taking a stroll outside with your grandchildren and feeling strong, alive, and free. If you're over 60 and your legs often ache, tingle, or feel weak, your arteries could be clogged, slowing blood flow and putting your health at serious risk. But today, I'm going to reveal the number one natural drink that helps clear leg arteries, restore circulation, and end leg pain, and it's something you can make at home with just 3 simple ingredients. Stay with me, because what I am about to show you could completely change how your legs and your life feel in just weeks. Have you ever noticed your legs feeling heavy, tired, or oddly cold, even when the rest of your body feels fine? Maybe you've brushed it off, thinking it's just my age catching up with me. But what if I told you those little signs could be your body's way of waving a red flagger, warning that your circulation is struggling and your arteries might be narrowing? Poor circulation in the legs, especially after age 60, isn't just uncomfortable. It can quietly steal away your ability to walk freely, do the things you love, and even put your overall health at serious risk. Today, I am going to share with you something that could be a turning point. One simple drink that can help clear leg arteries, boost blood flow, and end poor circulation. It's not magic, it's real, natural, and backed by both ancient tradition and modern science. And I'll also share the incredible stories of seniors who got their life back by making this drink a part of their daily routine. So, if you've been feeling like your legs just aren't what they used to be, stay with me until the very end. Because what I am about to tell you could be the first step toward walking strong and pain-free again. Let's start with a moment that still makes me smile every time I think about it. A few years ago, I visited a man named Harold. Harold was 78, a retired bus driver, and he loved fishing more than anything else. But for 2 years, he had barely gone out on the water. Why? Because just walking from his driveway to the pier left his calves burning and his feet freezing cold. His doctor told him he had peripheral artery disease, narrowing of the arteries in his legs, and that surgery might be an option if things got worse. But Harold didn't want to end up in a hospital bed. He wanted to be back by the lake with a rod in his hands. That's when his granddaughter brought him a glass of something bright red and a little spicy. "Drink this, Grandpa," she told him. It might help. He laughed at first. After all, what could a drink do for his legs? But he promised to try it every morning. 6 weeks later, Harold walked to the lake without stopping once. 3 months later, he was fishing 3 times a week again. That drink, my friend, is what we're talking about today. To understand why it works, we need to talk about what's really happening inside your body when your circulation slows. Picture your arteries like flexible garden hoses carrying blood from your heart to your legs. Over the years, fatty deposits called plaque start building up on the inside walls. It's like a slow layer of gunk, narrowing the space your blood can travel through. The narrower it gets, the harder it is for blood to reach your muscles and skin. This is why your legs might feel weak, numb, cold, or painful after even short walks. But here's the hopeful part: just like you can clear build-up in a pipe, you can help your body reduce the build-up in your arteries. And nature has given us some powerful tools to do just that. The drink I am about to reveal combines 3 natural ingredients that have been shown to support artery health. Reduce inflammation and get your blood flowing freely again. The first is beetroot juice. Beets are packed with nitrates, which your body turns into nitric oxide. Nitric oxide relaxes and widens your blood vessels, so blood can flow through more easily. It's like opening up a tight tunnel so traffic can finally move. Studies have shown that beetroot juice can lower blood pressure, increase oxygen delivery to muscles, and improve endurance in seniors. The second ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which keeps your artery walls strong and flexible, and antioxidants that help prevent further plaque buildup. Plus, the tangy citrus flavor helps balance the earthy taste of the beets. The third ingredient is a pinch of cayenne pepper. Cayenne contains capsaicin, a compound that stimulates blood flow, helps dissolve fibrin that can cause clots, and gives you a warming sensation that many people with cold feet and hands find comforting. When you put these together, beetroot juice, lemon juice, and cayenne pepper, you get what I call the leg saver drink. Here's how to make it. Juice 1 medium beetroot. Squeeze in the juice of half a lemon, add a pinch of cayenne pepper, and stir well. Drink it fresh, preferably in the morning on an empty stomach, so your body can absorb it quickly. The taste is earthy, tangy, and just a little spicy, but it's a small price to pay for the freedom to walk without pain. Now, let's talk about results. When Mrs. Alvarez, a 72-year-old retired teacher, started this drink, she could barely walk to her mailbox without her calves tightening up. She felt embarrassed during family outings because she had to stop and rest so often. But she committed to drinking it daily and started tracking her progress in a little notebook. Week 1. Feet feel warmer in the morning. Week 2. Walked halfway to the park without stopping. Week 4. Made it to the park and back with my grandson. By the end of 3 months, she was walking 3 miles a day without leg cramps. She told me, "It feels like someone turned the blood back on in my legs." The science supports her story. In clinical studies, beetroot juice increased walking distance in people with peripheral artery disease. Vitamin C from lemon juice improved artery elasticity. Capsaicin from cayenne pepper boosted circulation and reduced inflammation markers. Together, they create a gentle, natural way to support your body's own healing processes. And unlike some medications, these ingredients work with your body, not against it. Now, this drink isn't a free pass to ignore other parts of your health. If you want lasting results, pair it with light daily activity like walking, cycling, or simple leg stretches to encourage blood flow. Stay hydrated, eat more fresh fruits and vegetables, and avoid the processed foods that contribute to plaque buildup. Think of it as a full circle approach. The drink helps clear the path, and your lifestyle choices keep that path open. Some people might ask, "Isn't it too late for me?" And my answer is no, it's never too late to start improving your circulation. Your arteries are living tissue. They can respond to better nutrition, movement, and care at any age. I've seen seniors in their 80s and 90s make measurable improvements in their walking distance, foot warmth, and overall energy by making simple changes like this. I want you to imagine something with me. It's a crisp spring morning, and you wake up with a lightness in your legs. You walk into your kitchen, make your morning drink, and sip it slowly as sunlight pours through the window. Later, You go for a walk, not because you have to, but because you want to. Your legs feel strong, your feet warm, and every step reminds you that you're still in control of your health. That's the vision I want for you. So here's my challenge. Commit to the Leg Saver drink for the next 30 days. Keep a small journal. Write down how your legs feel each day. At the end of the month, compare your notes. You might be surprised at the progress. And remember, this isn't about chasing youth, it's about reclaiming your freedom to move, explore, and live fully, no matter your age. I'll never forget visiting Harold again a year later. He was standing on the pier, pulling in a fish with a grin on his face. I don't just feel better, he told me, I feel alive again. That, my friend, is the gift of good circulation. And it might just start with the glass you drink tomorrow morning.